Hey everyone, I just wanted to take a quick second to share a Upwork tip with you. Did you know that there are three different profiles that you can have on Upwork? One general and two specialized profiles. Now, each of these is a way for a client to find you depending on how they search. However, a client can find you for one specific search with any of these profiles as long as each of your profiles is keyword rich. Upwork's algorithm takes a lot of different factors into account to help a client find you. And one of the big ones is keywords in your profile. So no matter which profile that you choose to focus on, make sure that they have everything, all of the skills that you have, everything that you offer. Make sure that it's keyword rich. That'll help you to win more jobs. We'll see you on the next one.